Explorers. This is Jessica.
And this is Robert.
And today on Exploring the Local Life, we're going to take you on an RV tour.
The Winnebago 24V Class C.
It's a Navion.
Navion.
This mat is, this.
It's a Winnebago Navion. Super sweet. You have your business end up here. Mercedes-Benz, we make the best cars. To this upper bunk, which is really sweet, and you have this massive sunroof up here. Seating area, very comfy with seat belts for the children. Ooh. The sunshine looks good on you, Robert. And then when we get to the kitchen, we have these beautiful glossy doors, and not the crappy glossy, but good looking glossy. Plumbing for those of you who like it, and stainless steel sinks. The windows open outward, so if you have a nice rainy day, you can have your windows open. I'm not smart enough to figure these out, by the way, people. There we go. But the window opens out. So you have the drawer, and you have the sink right there, too. Oh, I'm sorry, your burner. The sink's right there. Little 2-burner. Then the main sleeping area. This is hugely wide. You can deploy the third cushion. You can either be twin with this upward deal here. Nice back window. Got your bike rack. Really nice. Squeeze switch. Lots of storage. And if you want to feel like you're in an airplane, a better than airplane bathroom. And there we have it. Jessica likes it.
I do like it. So for me, I really like this unit. It's not exactly practical for us at this time, not only because of the price point, but also the fact that we have 2 small children. We need a little bit more space than that. But it was definitely appealing because it is so compact. It's only
25 feet long.
25 feet long, which means that you don't really need a tow vehicle. You can actually use this as your everyday camping vehicle and also to your roaming vehicle.
Exactly. You can go to the grocery store with it, park in a standard space. It's only 2 feet longer than our F-250 long bed full crew. So it is definitely something you can do for urban camping or just out in an RV park or out boondocking somewhere. So it seems to be extremely flexible.
Absolutely. And another feature that you might not actually think is going to be in this unit is that it actually has a pretty large freshwater tank, gray water tank, and black tank. They're all, I have my notes, so I have to look down. The fresh water is 31 gallons. The gray and black each are 36 gallons. That's a lot of storage, really, if you're going to be doing any boondocking, off-grid RVing, or if you just don't have a sewer connection.
Definitely a viable option if you're just going to be a couple of y'all, or, you know, if you have really small children, or you really want to pack it in. It is possible to have an entire family of
everybody in there, because if you see
4,
like
5,
the beds
6
in the back, they're twin, but then a whole other section goes in there. If you have a small child, if you co-sleep, you can do that. There's also the bed above the
cab
where the kids can sleep, and then I believe that couch pulls out.
Yeah.
So
So if you're really doing a family adventure or a crazy family adventure, this size can actually work.
Absolutely.
And finally, some of the hard specs to it when it comes to power. It is a 30 amp unit, which again is very good for whenever you are just going to hook up at an RV park. You don't have to look for those 50 amp spots that always tend to fill up a little bit faster. Additionally, it is a 3-liter V6 Benz turbo diesel. So, you know, it's a pretty well established engine out there in the marketplace, and it's got that famed Mercedes-Benz quality.
Yeah, it's
So they
definitely
say.
good, I think, intro to a luxury type of vehicle. It's still capable, small, but really gets the job done in a nice, stylish kind of way.
If we do look for one, it will definitely be in the used market one day. Hey folks, thank you for coming along on our tour of the Winnebago Navion 24 Victor. Very cool looking little rig.
Yeah, it is. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe,
And hit the bell.
hit the bell. See you guys.